Alright, I think 117 degrees out today, so I'm going to try to make the video pretty short. So I'm going to try to shoot this mint. I'm going to take out the wrapper and I'm going to shoot with my pellet gun. Daisy Powerline 880 with Piranha pellets. From about 25 yards. Here we go. Got my GoPro set up downrange too. Hit. Actually missed, but I reset it. I got the GoPro on too. I can't see it, the grass in the way. Gotta get a better view at it. Alright, I'm just gonna shoot. Can't use the scope cam. Alright, here's what I'm gonna do now. There it is. It's a difficult shot with my left hand and my phone in my right hand, and it's also like 100 degrees out, so. I hit it. How'd I hit? Let's look at the footage. What happened? I gotta look at the footage, but it's here in the zip. Try again. I think that was a hit. Yep, that was a hit. Alright, let's look at the footage now.